Hey guys, welcome back. I want to go over ticker GSIT as this one just completely ran on a Friday session, which was beautiful. We caught this one early in the scanners. We've caught it early on the charts. I want to go over that as well. But I want to go over confirmation, where it worked, where it didn't work, why it didn't work. And also I'd like to go over how to avoid these false breakouts at the top of this move. So we had this whole move mapped out before it ever happened. I'll show you exactly how. GSIT 15-minute chart. If I measure this, again, this is on a Friday, guys. All the way at the top, 170%. That's just massive, massive move. So let's break it down on 1 minute chart. That's a 15-minute chart. 1 minute chart, we're seeing these white candles. What's that? That's the BB volume indicator that I have available. BB volume hunter right here. It shows high volume breakout candles, and that's what I want to see. And the reason is because for me, no volume, no trade. If I'm trading real size, I want to actually get filled on my orders, make sure I get in, make sure I get green, make sure I get out, or get the heck out of the way without getting stuck into something with a wide spread and something with massive slippage. Closed above our first level, 203, 219, 240, 247, 250 mental, 256, 263, right? It looks like a mess, but we'll break it down. First candle had white breakout volume. We had 255,000 shares on that candle, showing it was very bullish. Closed over our predetermined level, 203. Closed above there, tested 203, continued from there, hit that target. So that is a buy, closed above, right? Confirm this level, sell into target. Boom. Target hit, right? That's our first opportunity on confirmation. Next one right here, close above 219, needs to then hold that level as support. We're looking to buy and continue to buy into that dip till it closes below 219. That's where it's our signal to bail on the trade altogether. And guess what? Next candle, boom, hit target. Bought the close of this candle, you got yourself a scalp within less than 1 minute, right? Next candle, we have this candle over here, close above, and it was a clean close. This one right here is a topping tail. This one does have a topping tail, but the bulk of the candle was above the level. So we closed above this purple line. We closed above this white line, which was the 247. Of course, we had the 250 level as well. If I hover over this candle and look at the C, which is the close of the candle, we can see it was 254. That means it confirmed the 247 and that 250 level. So it confirmed the $half level, which is great. That's what we want to see. And guess what? Next candle, hit our purple line, target 256, scale out. Next target was hit 263, 275, and almost 288. Guys, that was 1 minute, all in 1 minute confirmation of 247, 250 level. Hit 1, 2, 3, almost 4 targets within 1 minute. That's confirmation. That's what I love. Yes, we have this nasty red candle, major red right here, negative 7% candle. But guess what? It, again, bounced off of our levels of the 247, did not close below, and held that level. And guess what? Hit the target next candle. Now that would be an anticipation trade. I do not deem that as confirmation. Confirmation now is because we filled this gap. We're looking for a close over this predetermined level 288. Over here we had another test of that resistance. Yes, it hit that target. No, it did not close over, so it did not confirm that level and gap back down. Did not close below, did not tell us that it was bearish. So really it was just bouncing around like a ping pong ball. We want to see it close over 275 to deem this as bullish, to then hold that 275 and hit that target of 288. On this candle here, we closed above that resistance of 275. And guess what? In that candle, we hit our target and filled the gap, which makes this gap less desirable for breakout traders, as this resistance had a chance to empty those bags. So it's going to hold a little bit less weight as a breakout level now. But we did hold that level. We did not close back below this white line, as we can see. We held, and right here on this this sword looking doji here, we hit our target of 288, and that would be where we scale out. Again, close above, we add into the dip of the 275, hold that 275, close below. That's our signal to bail on the trade. Hit our target, scale out, hold yourself a lotto in case you feel there's continuation. Came back down, and as we can see here, let's see if I turn off the volume hunter, you guys can see right here, this red candle closed below the 275. This was the first bearish candle of the move. So if you're in this trade, this was the first bearish candle of these white major weekly levels, right? As we grind up, we can see that we continued up further. We hit above, closed above this white line, closed above this purple line, and hit targets all the way up into that purple line there. That's an issue. The problem there is that it basically confirmed multiple levels, so we're not sure which level is going to hold as support. It's going to be a little choppier in this type of price action. What we're looking for now is a clean close above that predetermined resistance, which is the 310. We closed above the 310 on this one, but again, filled the gap. And this is kind of what this stock was doing. And so it was really hard for a lot of traders to be able to take part in this. But as you can see, if I turn the volume back on, we can see we had a lot of volume. And again, we want those white candles for breakout type of strength. Now, close above this purple level here, as we can see, was a major weighted resistance, and we avoided some major false breakouts by not trading before it confirmed and closed above that level. When I talk about close, I'm talking about the body of these candles closing above. Want to see a green candle close above that 321 level. Bullish vertical trend over here. So we've got plenty of red flags letting us know, hey, you may want to scale out and take some profit if you're in, and you may not want to take the trade if you're not in yet. And of course it did reject, have a major red, 5% negative candle. Over here we got back up, and look at this, a bullish engulfing green candle. The problem was, again, it's taken out multiple levels. This is the level we're looking to close over, as we have not yet. So 321 was that key level. We closed above, but we closed all the way up here at 358, which is an extreme bullish candle. I like that, but we had a bullish vertical trend. We hit our resistance next candle. So this was not a confirmation that I would like to take. This is a risk it for the biscuit type of confirmation, but it did confirm over that predetermined level, buy into that dip. For me, I think I'll let that one go. As it pulled back, we can see that we had a false breakout and touch of that 385 level. So I put in chat that I was looking for 385. I'll pull over Discord now. You guys can see in Discord, in the Mark Charts channel, you'll have access to all of my charts. Any chart that I mark up that hits our scanners is going to be marked and put in this chat. We can see that GSIT was added at 9:35 a.m. Eastern time as it was hitting our scanners. And we can see that in the morning, we have a scanner that's known as higher float, find it first, and GSIT was on there at 9:31 a.m. at $2.18. It then hit our bullish momentum scanners as well. I'll pull that over. You can see all the way down here at the bottom at 12:54, and all the way up to I'm not sure why it's only showing to 12:54, but this one was on there earlier. Take my word for it. If I pull over the high of day, maybe we can find it on this one first. So 9:30 right here, we're looking for GSIT. There it is at 9:32 at $2.30. So it was hitting our scanners. It was hitting the bullish momentum scanner. I'm not sure why it's not showing, but we marked the chart. We had the levels in chat for you guys to be able to look for possible areas of resistance and possible areas of support. We added ideas also to the BB Key Levels channel, which I add ideas every day for where I'm possibly trading my stocks. You can see in here we have GSIT 385, and that was all the way at 11:20 a.m. So at this point, what that means is after 11:20 a.m. in the pre-market, or excuse me, the market session, which is, let's see, right around at this point. So we had hit this level already. So right in this gap here, I said, okay, it needs to close over this predetermined level of 385. And why? Because we've already gapped up and filled this gap up to it. So any trades in these levels, in my opinion, are very risky and higher risk than we're looking for. So the probability of these gaps filling after they've already been filled is a little bit less than if they haven't been filled. So I like the first time we enter these gaps. So we can see over here, if we scroll over, we have yellow and a red candle there, green candle there, showing us that, hey, the volume's starting to die out. Maybe it's not really time to watch. Set our alerts at the predetermined levels that we're looking to trade, which was right here at the 385. If I put the cursor over this, you can see that was a green candle, bullish engulfing, closed over. The body was above the 385 level. Candle closed at 389, and next candle hit target. 1, 2, 3, 4 targets in 1 minute. Again, this is confirmation. This is what we're looking for, guys. That's ticker GSIT right there, closed over the 385. Had that right in our chat again, right here. GSIT 11:20 a.m. 385. Why was I talking about that level? Because we have already confirmed these other levels, and we have all of these levels marked out in the morning before this move ever happens. Now, after that happened, same idea, right? We're looking for a clean close over this resistance level of 419, as we've already hit that level, and that's now our top resistance. So I'm not looking for a break of highs. I'm looking for a close over my predetermined resistance of 419. As we can see on this chart, we did not close over that level. We hit that level again right here and rejected. And right here, we had this nasty candle. Now, a lot of traders right here would say, man, it hit all the way at 446. You had a level at 448. That was so great. Great call. That's not confirmation, guys. Again, we're already scaling out of our position over here. Why? Because it hit our resistance and never confirmed and closed over. We want to see it close above this resistance to then use that level as a support and really springboard ourselves to the next level. The fact that this candle had already gapped all the way up to the 448 level that I have predetermined on my chart, and of course 450 being the mental level, means that now I need to see it close over 450 to really deem this as bullish. So I could set my alert somewhere in here, just go ahead and right click on Trading View, hit create, and now we have an alert that will alert me before that move ever happens, so I can prepare myself in case I want to take that trade. Ticker GSIT then tapered off since. Nasty move. Again, if I measure this from the top of this move to the bottom of this candle here, that was about 11% in 2 candles. That's nothing that we're looking for. That's not what we're looking for in this type of market. So I'm trying to avoid that. And by trading confirmation, I'm avoiding those false breakouts because I'm looking for a clean close over our predetermined levels. And again, our predetermined levels are marked every day in our Mark Charts channel. You can see that GSIT was in here. If I scroll up a little bit, right here, 935, you can see the levels on this chart, and throughout the day trading chat you'll see me add levels as well, so you guys can see that and get these alerts. So again, that's in our Discord, and we have GSIT is now tapering off. So, and if this thing really gets over 419, 420, maybe I'll start watching in this area here, but I don't want to really trade it until it gets bullish over these levels above. And until then, it's not going to be on my radar. So GSIT, beautiful move. Yes, we found it first. It's on our Find It First scanner. These are new scanners that I just added within the last couple of weeks. Very important scanners. They're not going to have a lot of results. They're going to have very important results. We can see that we have the higher float Find It First scanner there, and GSIT was on there at 931, 218 was the price. Guys, I appreciate your time. Ticker GSIT, massive move here. Again, let's see, 170% basically on that move, and luckily we avoided these nasty type of false breakouts. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.